Hello friends, today we will discuss one important question for commerce methodology, that is commercial activities, meaning, importance and types. So commercial activities refer to all the actions and processes involved in buying, selling and exchanging goods and services with the objective of earning a profit. These activities are fundamental to functioning of any business or economic system. So types of commercial activities include wholesale trade, that is buying goods in large quantities from manufacturers and selling them to retailers. Then second one is retail trade, selling goods directly to consumers in small quantities. Third is import and export trade. It includes buying goods from foreign countries, that is import, and selling goods to foreign countries, that is export. Fourth one is e-commerce, buying and selling goods and services online. Next is service industry, providing intangible services like banking, insurance, transportation, and hospitality. Then comes distribution, activities involved in moving goods from the manufacturer to the end consumer, including logistics and supply chain management, is distribution. Importance of commercial activities. First is economic growth. Commercial activities contribute to the GDP of a country and stimulate economic growth. Second is job creation. These activities provide employment opportunities in various sectors from manufacturing to retail. Third is meeting consumer needs. Commercial activities ensure that goods and services are produced and made available to meet the needs and wants of consumers. Fourth is innovation and competition. Commercial activities foster innovation and competition, leading to better products and services. Fifth is global trade. They facilitate international trade, allowing countries to specialize in producing goods and services where they have comparative advantage. Sixth is revenue generation. Commercial activities generate revenue for businesses which can be reinvested in the economy. So we can conclude that commercial activities are essential for the functioning of economies, providing goods and services to consumers, creating jobs and driving economic growth.